Hello. In this video on the show you how to check your age on TikTok. It's kind of hidden in one spot on the TikTok app. All you have to do is go into here. Tap on Request Data File, so when you request that data file it'll let you know at the very top. It says information. You can download your profile, your activity, your app settings, and there will be the exact age that you chose when you initially signed up for TikTok. So then once that's done, and it takes maybe an hour or so, you can see when I go over to download data, at the very top it says data for teenagers pending. Adjusted that, and the old one is expired. You'll just have to wait a little bit to be able to access that once that is available. You can download that data, and in there it'll show your age. You can check your exact age on TikTok that you chose when you sign up for the account. Hope this helps.